Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can get all of these different wall decorations inside of Subnautica 2. And for the most part, all of these wall decorations come from the exact same place, from the data box that contains the blueprint for the small crate. So to find this, all we have to do is go to the Tadpole Pens, and we're going to just head straight east from the Lifepod. And it's about, I want to say like 600-ish meters from the Lifepod if you're going straight east. We'll just ignore the fact that my base is right here. And this is going to be located inside of a building that is just in front of the Tadpole Pens and kind of falling into a ravine. The other thing to note about this location, if you haven't been here before and you're following this guide to kind of start building your base, you're going to need the heat adaptation because this is located inside of the active lava zone area, right up against the edge of the starter zone. So we're just going to cruise straight to the east, past this wreckage and this giant chunk of a ship, and we're going to cruise down here. And you can even follow this current right here once you get down in here. And we're going to follow this until we reach the edge here. And here you have the Tadpole Pens. And then that cliff right there is the edge of this zone. So the building that we want is kind of off to the side here. It's this one that's falling down inside of this ravine next to this little lava tube. And we want this building right here. Now, the coordinates are right here. I'm going to pause the video for a second and put them up on screen so that you can see them. And then you can just pause and write those down if you prefer to navigate via coordinates. But what you're looking for is directly inside of this building. So inside of here, cruising straight in from the door, is this data box right here. And this is going to contain all of your wall decorations as well as your small crate. So you can build all of those inside of your base. That allows you to put up these little vents on the wall that you see here inside of this room. They're quite large, so, plan to put these inside of a square room. And you can put them up on the wall to kind of break up the flat surface and to provide some variety. And it honestly kind of looks like they added air conditioning systems when you put them up on the wall. And there's quite a few of them that you can put up too. If you look inside of the blueprints, there's the wall unit small, the wall panel, the large wall panel, which we saw in there, the wall vent, and then the large wall vent, which literally looks like a big HVAC unit that you see on the walls of apartments. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This is where you find all of the different wall vent decor items. I'm going to put a list in the description as well so you can get a better idea of what all these are. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. And also, I will mention, while you're still in here, make sure you go visit the Tadpole Pens, and there's another building over there that you can explore that has a lot of great different blueprints in them that you won't be able to find in a lot of other places. So that'll be it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye, everybody.